Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 66, which is plus one. Okay, so let us first read through the problem. So it says you are given a large integer represented as an integer array of digits, where each digit, that is digits I, is the ith digit of the integer. Okay, the digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The largest integer does not contain any leading zeros. Okay, so there are no leading zeros. Increment the large integer by one and return the resulting array of digits. Okay, what it says is, so it is 1 2 3. We have to consider it as like 123, add 1 to it, like make it 124, and then return it as a list of digits. Okay, cool. So let us get started with the solution. So first we'll take a string because it will help us later. Then we will get each of the digit, like for b in digits, nums plus is equal to str of d. Cool. So we are getting each of the digit from this array of list of numbers, and then we are appending it to this nums to make it into like 123 as a string, and then we'll be converting it back to integer and then add 1 to it and then return it as a list of digits. Okay, so return. First, what we'll do is we'll convert it into integer, like int of norms. Then we will add plus one to it. Then we'll convert it into string. Then we will do a list of that. Then we'll run the code. Cool. So it is working as expected. Let us submit it. Great, it got accepted. So I hope you guys understood this solution. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more. We'll meet again next time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.